Aloha, ahi ahi, eko momai oko. Greetings and welcome to everyone who has gathered here today to honor and celebrate our beloved Uncle Joe Letuli on his one-year anniversary of his passing. Your presence here means so much today because each and every one of you matter deeply to Uncle Joe. Today is a day of celebration. It's a day of reflection. It's a day of joy. It's a day of love. And if you truly knew who Uncle Joe was, you knew that he liked to keep it short, sweet, meaningful, and then he liked to party. So that's exactly what we're going to do to honor him today. We're going to keep it short, sweet, meaningful, and then we're going to party right now. Oh, gentlemen, please rise to your feet and join me in welcoming the lady who brought us all here together. She is his lovely wife, Auntie Letuli.
I'm going to talk about my husband. I know you guys all know who he is, but if you know, you know. But that's my love of my life. And he was my Carlos Santana. He was my Joe Santana. And to me, he's the greatest musician. He's the greatest guitar player. He played the bass, guitar, uke, anything. He loved his music. He loved his music. So I went on a journey with him and loved his music with him. So tonight, it's about you, babe. I'm here to celebrate you 1 year. It's been hard for me, but I'll talk about that later. So let me. I'm going to talk about my husband, and he only wants me to talk short, so I have to be short. So I'm going to talk about the love that we have for each other, and we wrote a book. My husband and I wrote a book about our love story. Our love story is about music. It goes through music. This is what he told me when he met me. This is what he told me how he felt about me. Like a million miles away from me, you couldn't see how I adored you. So close and yet so far. Then I told him how I felt about him. I've had my share of life's ups and downs, but fate's been kind, and the downs have been few. Well, I guess you could say that I've been lucky. Yes, I guess you could say that it's all because of you. If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever reasons there might be. Well, this is the first song that he ever sang to me that he wanted to sing to me. Then, after that, this is the first song he wanted me to learn how to sing with him. Of course, I said yes, I was in love with him. So he picked his guitar up, and this is what he said, sang to me. We got married, and this is our wedding song. This is our favorite song. We always sing together. So after that, I would be sleeping, and I would hear the guitar playing in the morning before he goes to work. And he knows I love this song. You hear that guitar in the back? That's it. Now go ahead, Dad. Take it away. Kiss from him. He walked in the door and he told me, babe, with the biggest smile, I love you, babe. And I just looked at him, then he sat on his chair and he looked at me and he said 4 times, I love you, babe, I love you, babe, I love you, babe, I love you, babe. And then he left. My daughter took him to the ER. He left. And then February 1st, I went to see him. He passed away. but it's okay. Babe, I thank you. I thank you for the beautiful foundation that we built together. I thank you for the beautiful memories we built. We'll never forget. And I thank you for the love and the way you loved me. I was your queen. He made me his queen. He didn't want me to do nothing. He hired a maid 20-something years ago. I still have her. He didn't want his queen to do anything. He loved his children. He loved his grandbabies. He loved every one of you. He loved everybody. That's why you're here. And thank you, babe. May you rest in peace. Babe, I dedicate this song to you.